Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that XRP is one of those assets that's always buzzing with potential. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your XRP from Webull to a personal wallet. This step is crucial for securing your assets and taking full control, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Webull account with XRP in it, a compatible crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Ledger, and two-factor authentication enabled for security. It's 2025, so double-check that your wallet supports XRP and that you're aware of any new regulations or fees. Step 1. Log into your Webull app or website. Head over to the Crypto or Assets section. It's usually front and center. Find your XRP holdings and select them. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This might be under a menu like Actions or Trade. Step 2. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your XRP. Double-check this address. Typos can mean lost funds forever. You'll also need to specify the amount you're transferring. Webull might ask for a network confirmation, like the XRP ledger, so select that if prompted. Step 3. Review the transaction details. Check for any fees. 2025 might bring updated fee structures based on network congestion. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor code. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. A quick word of caution: always use a secure connection, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Webull to your wallet in 2025. Once it's done, you'll feel more empowered with your crypto journey. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.